Hi everybody, this is the assignment number 4, Super Mario Bros. The key and lock update. In this video, I'm going to show you how I implemented some additional features on top of the original CS50's game. So feel free to jump to specific sections of this video through the timestamps that I included in the video description. So let's get started with these features. In total, we have 4 additional features. The first one is program this game such that when the player is dropped into the level, the player itself jumped above solid ground. It means that once we generate a new level, we need to be assured that the player isn't placed above a column that just spawned a chasm, for example. So let's get started. Like in this case, the player jumped above solid ground. Since here we have a series of chasms. The next feature is to generate a random colored key unlock block. So we need to generate a key that should unlock a block when the player collides with it, triggering the block to disappear. So in this case, we have a red key. So in here, the player just took the key, and we can use the key to make a red block to disappear. This is the red block. Let's use the key, and here we are. We just made disappearing the lock. The third feature is once the lock has disappeared, we need to trigger a goalpost to spawn at the end of the level. So basically a flag at the end of the level. So let's go to the end of this level. And here we are. We have this blue and yellow flag. And here we come with the fourth and final feature. When the player touches this goalpost, we simply regenerate the level. We spawn the player at the beginning of it again, but making it a little longer than it was before and preserving player's score, that is 400, as you can see. So let's touch this goalpost. And here we are. This is a brand new level. We preserved the original score, 400. And this level is a little bit longer than the previous one. So that's it. Thanks for watching.